Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this unique black and white and color transition in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I'm just closing this page, so I already added this image to the Canva. I just extend the size, moving up a bit, like to here. And to avoiding any size issues, the best practice is to download this image. Download. And actually this has happened normally, the Canva not allowed to download us. So we just need another picture, put it in the, send it to back, and now I can download my image without any issues, as you can see. And now selecting the image again, edit, adjust, scrolling down until the saturation -100, and save again. Saving the second image again, the black and white and a color one, and remove everything from the Canva and just first added the color one, increasing the size to fit the whole Canva, and now adding the black and white, doing the same. And now going to the applications, so I'm going to the apps, and now I need a blend, I need the image blender. This one, the purple one, not the blend image, which is a different functions, which is also an amazing application, but for this effect we need the image blender. And here select an image, so I'm selecting this one, and because I'm not using a pro version, I'm just using the free one, I can use on the linear and radial only, and I cannot choose these blend modes. So I need the linear, and just start to play with these two dots, moving down a bit, and this one also moving down a bit. And also we can play with the strength, but I think I need to move it like to hit this. So when we zooming is not always working perfectly. So we cannot really zoom. So if I save it, yeah, it saved what I want. Yeah, I wanted to see this line is in a correct place, like this colorized one. I don't want to touch the rest of this woman, but now it's in a correct place. And the only thing what we need, so that was mentioned that was already uploaded, this image, but as you can see, not to here, I'm just moving to the second page. So it's not perfectly done. So if I just add this image again, moving to the back, in this case I have the same effect again. So I have the system is uploading the image what we want with the effect. So for example this one, if I also increase in the size, as you can see it's also working, but itself the image which is uploaded just the effect. So to get this image properly we need to download it. So I just need to come here, share, download, and normally I always choosing the best size because it has best quality, and I don't want to change anything in this image. So I can show you doing the same. Let's see, there is a other additional layer on top. So it was originally the whole black and white image, but because this image blender made the magic and removed the unwanted part, so this program created this effect from this image. To get the whole effect, we need to download the two pictures together, but still fine. I really love this application, and as you see, now these images are really unique one with this black and white and color transition. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm, to let me get more and more people to watch me. And if you're also struggling anything in the Canva, or you just have any questions about Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Instagram, Facebook and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts listed in a Facebook page. Of course, in the Instagram and TikTok pages, you find short tutorials about Canva. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.